Welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to show you this new component tester from a company called BSIDE. The model is ESR02 PRO. So we're going to proceed by measuring straight away some component that I have in front of you. But anyway, there's a lot of video about this component tester in YouTube, and I don't want to bore you with a lot of component testing. So yeah, let's straight away go to measuring some components. Wait, let me arrange this. Okay, first we have this bloated or blown capacitor, and plug in the leads, and plug in the power, and press test. So it's showing a very different measurement from the actual component value itself, with a very high ESR value. Anyway, on the back of the component tester itself, there's a table of ESR guide, which to me is quite annoying, and I'm very in the same page with the another YouTuber that was reviewing this, where he said it's quite hard to see or to read, and I agree with you, bro. It's very hard to see, and maybe I'm gonna do another rewrite this and stick on a black and white for more contrast and easy reading, something like that. Yeah. Let's continue to measure. I have a good value of the same capacitor, and let's compare that. And then you may go to the minute to compare the value of this working one and the previous measurement. Let me focus the thing. So the ESR is lower than before, and then the value of the capacitor itself is intolerance. So let me show you the value here. So it's yeah, 2200 microfarad. Let's measure a resistor. This is a 0.33 resistor, which is a wire wound. Let's see what it says. 0.46. Let's press it one more time just to be sure. I think good enough. The resistor may have some tolerance or run out over the years, or whatever, dirt on the leg, something like that. And yeah, let's measure an orange drop capacitor, very popular in guitar or musical or instrument application. So it says here is 223, which tells me it's a 22 nanofarad. Let's see what it says. Let's press it one more time just to be sure. Yeah, good enough. And the last component would be a three-legged component, silicon. The unit has a, let me focus again. This camera is very cheap, so forgive me. It has an insertion spot here for you to put in a component directly in the unit, and it has a discharge inserted for you to discharge capacitor. It is recommended that you discharge capacitor in order not to blow the unit. So it has an exposed copper here for you to measure or test tiny SMD component. You put it there, press it down with your fingers or whatever, then you press test. So let's measure this power transistor. So I suppose this is good. I know this is good because it's unused. It can also measure your capacitance, your body capacitance. Let's measure my capacitance. So I have a 1069 picofarad, which tells me I'm a healthy human being. One more time. Yeah, more or less, one more time. Yeah, I have an ESR of 0.14, and you can look at the back of the ESR table in order for you to know whether you have leakage or not. Yeah, let's unplug the thing and have a look inside. I already unfastened the screw. So this is the internal appearance of it, very clean. And China nowadays, their manufacturing is becoming more fantastic. It's quite dark, very sorry. Now I did one modification on this unit is whereby when I first got the unit, in the manual itself doesn't say the polarity of the adapter, which it doesn't say which whether the outside or the inside of the adapter itself, which way is the plus and minus in short. So I asked this another YouTuber that was reviewing the thing. He told me the polarity is quite opposite to what I expected. So I opened the thing and I swapped the wire. So as you can see, where the red wire was is actually before the stock location for it is where the red wire was is the black, where the black wire was is red. So I swapped this because I want it to be standardized in my workshop so that I can use one adapter to power up whatever small gadget. Meaning I can power up my Boss tuner, Boss pedal. So I need only one adapter. More adapter is very hassle for my life. And that's about it lah for the modification. I didn't do anything more inside, and yeah, what more can I tell you? So the unit itself doesn't come with the crocodile clip that you see here. I had to rob this from my old capacitor tester, which is useless actually. It doesn't show you ESR and those kind of thing. So it doesn't come with the crocodile clip. However, in some parts of the world, if you are ordering this, you may get at least a cheap one, maybe, or at least something is better than nothing to me. Yeah. And yeah, so coming back to the modification, I already drawn a diagram more or less represent the what is the whole. Never mind. So yeah, so this was the before, whereby the internal is positive, the external is negative. So when I swap the wire, it becomes like this. So this is the after. So you may want to do this to make your life easy. Why you want to buy another adapter for this, I don't know. And why people use battery nowadays, I don't know. So don't waste battery, don't waste money, use adapter. Use whatever you have in the house which is in accordance to the milliamp or the voltage that the component tester needs. So that's it for today. My battery is low. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day and bye bye.